Hi, welcome to Topper Chef channel. Today we're going to make Goan shrimp curry. Okay, so for this recipe has to be very simple. Okay, the reason it has to be simple is it's like a staple food, an everyday staple food. Okay, so we got to start with some coconut oil to give that flavor of coconut. Remember, Goan cooking is all about coconut and the flavor for coconut. Okay, so pour this out. To this, we're gonna add the Goan shrimp sauce which we made, or the seafood sauce which we made. Cook it a little bit in the oil. Stir it well. And to this we'll add some coconut milk, the thick part of the coconut milk. Just like making a Thai curry, but this is the Goan way of making this curry. Let's cook with this, let this dry up a little bit. Okay, so now this is reduced, the thick part of the coconut has been reduced with the gravy which we've had. To this we add 1 teaspoon of chili paste. This is our chili paste to give that red color. Pepper and salt. Okay, and then let it flavor. You can add the spiciness the way you want it. If you want it more, you can add it more. So we add a little water to this, bring it to a boil so that all the masalas and everything cooks well. And to this I'm going to add now 2 teaspoons of cider vinegar, or you can add a tamarind. There you go. And let it come to a boil now. Okay, so now this is ready at the first boil. Smooth this around. And if you want a little more thicker, you can always add some coconut milk to it. Get it thicker. At this point, I'm going to add my shrimp. Okay, this is about 2 cups of shrimp. And now we just cover this. There's enough salt, there's enough everything. As you can see, I didn't add anything, just no salt or no pepper to the shrimp, and this is how simple this recipe is. So just bring this to the boil again, cover it, simmer. You don't need to cook shrimp for a long period of time. It's like 3-4 minutes and it is cooked. Okay, this is how simple this recipe is, okay? So once it comes for another simmer, your shrimp curry is ready. And that's all you gotta do. Very simple recipe. If you have this masala in the house and you got some shrimp waiting, look, in 10 minutes you have a good, simple shrimp curry. Voila! Here's the Goan shrimp curry. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!